So today we're going to talk about the installation of a gas hot water system. The type we're going to install is a high flow gas hot water system, and the type we've chosen is a Renai type of heater. You're probably wondering why we're looking at the gas meter here. The Renai heaters are dependent on two things. One is the flow of gas pressure, and also water flow. They're highly dependent on these two things, and so they're fairly critical. In other words, they won't work unless they have a reasonable amount of gas flow and also water flow. So we're just looking at the actual gas meter here, and particularly the regulator, just to see if this one would work with this particular high flow heater. These particular heaters run around about 200 megajoules, and for that reason you need a decent amount of gas. Now the pipe size here is really good. We've got 3/4, but we need to know what the gas pressure is. So on this particular regulator we should have a number which will tell us what it actually is. And from memory, these particular ones are 2.75 kPa. So this particular one should work very well for our purpose. Look under here, you can see we've got some numbers on this one, and look underneath here, we can see we've got 2.75 kPa. So that's what we need. 2.75 is ideal. Anything under 2.75, you could have some problems with your gas flow rate. So if you have a regulator and it's less than that, you need to have that basically upgraded, or you could have some problems.